Alright, so we are out in Astor, Florida today. We're going to try our hand at a little magnet fishing. It's actually about the first time I've done this. We're going to try it out and see what it's about. Found a boat ramp out here. Looks like it gets used pretty well. So we're going to check it out and see if we can catch anything. Alright, so I went out on this little dock here. Dropped it in once on the side and pulled this sucker in. It's an old piece of boat dock is all it is. Pretty cool though. For the first time dropping out. I'll tell you a little bit about my magnet. Now this was actually a gift. This, the rope and the Loctite that came with it. And what I did was I just double tied it off onto here instead of tying it off permanently. This way I can change it out pretty easily. I do plan on getting a nylon rope for this. And then the other end, I just tied it off to my belt loop here. That way I don't lose the thing. Yeah, there's some pretty heavy metal in this water here. I've already hit a couple that this magnet won't pull up. It's kind of cool. It's the first time doing this really. And it's almost like fishing. You actually, when you're pulling up on it, you feel like you've hit a fish. And if you pull it too fast, you lose it if it's too big. Yes, I like this here. Let's see what else we can find. And the only downside to this rope here, it's a good rope. Just it tangles up so easily on itself. Some old nails. Bunch of little pieces of metal. Washer. And a nail. kind of a neat find. I guess anybody in Astor or Astor Park, if you're missing any Chevy truck keys, I got them for you. Yeah, looks like a truck key, house key, maybe a job key. There you go. And big on this thing. I'm just hoping this magnet holds it. Whatever it is, it's heavy. Oh wow. Alright. There you go. Look at that thing. That's alright there. Whew. Lays a nice boat anchor. I have no idea what the strength of this magnet is, but I gotta say, that's pretty good right there. Whew. Don't look too old. Yeah, that'll go at the house. One of the great things about doing this, well, for me anyhow, it's just like fishing. When I go out fishing, I don't go out to catch any particular fish. I just like to fish. I go out and enjoy nature and have a nice relaxing day, and that's pretty much like what this is. Beautiful day. A little cloudy, but that's alright. It's a beautiful, beautiful river here. St. John's. Just out here enjoying the day. Loving it. What that is. I know what this is, fishing worm. An old piece of dock or something. Fishing worm. Let's add these to the pile. Alright, started getting a little crowded, so I went ahead and stopped fishing for the day, but let's take a look at what we got here. We got our keys, fishing worm. Not sure what that came off of. It's like part of a dock, which was full of junk and water and nasty blackness that, yeah, just kind of got everywhere, which is alright. A piece of, and of course we got this anchor, which is most definitely coming home with me. Everything else is going in that dumpster right there, just to kind of clean up. Probably keep the car keys too, just because. So yeah, all in all, not too bad. Got out in the nature, got to relax for a little bit, did some magnet fishing. All in all, it's a pretty good deal. A couple things I need to figure out though. One is I've seen a workaround for putting a Gatorade bottle top on your magnet, keep it from getting snagged up, and I definitely need to do that, because there's two times that I thought that I was going to lose that magnet for sure. I got hooked up on something and just wouldn't let go. Now, I don't know how powerful that magnet is. That magnet was a gift, along with the cord and the Loctite and everything that came with it. But it pulled up that anchor, so it must have been pretty strong. I have to do some research on it and let you guys know what kind of magnet that is. But yeah, pretty good first time.